Good morning, 4PG. So let's start off with going over the problem of the day, which actually looks identical to yesterday's problem, because it is. So today, Lauren needs your help. Describe a pattern. Draw what might be the next three figures in the pattern. So that's question part number 1. How many circles are in the sixth figure in your pattern? So that's number 2. So there's 2 things I have to answer here. So not to waste time, I already did it. This is what they gave us so far. So this was figure 1, this was 2, here's figure 3, here's my figure 4, here's my figure 5, and you can see each time I'm adding one more circle to the bottom layer and I'm increasing by one more row. And of course, this is number 6. And when I draw it all out, you can see that figure number 6, to answer the second part of our question, has 21 circles in it. Okay? All right, so today you're going to be working independently. You're going to be working on page 593. That's the chapter 10 review/test, which is a great review of the whole chapter, of course. And you're going to stop the tape and then pick it up and play it again. You're going to be working independently. So what you want to do is you want to work through all the problems, and then I'm going to be playing for you the answers. But I want to draw your attention to number 6. So let's look at number 6. That one we're going to do together. So turn over to page 594. It says Naomi leaves for her trip to Los Angeles on the 12th day of August. Since August is the 8th month, Naomi wrote the date as shown, so 8/12. Naomi says all the numbers she wrote have line symmetry. Is she correct? Explain your thinking. Well, I already started to figure this out. So you could see I made a vertical line down the number 8, and I can see that that is definitely a line of symmetry. If I fold it in half, I'm going to have the 2 parts will match exactly. Number 1, I can make a vertical line of symmetry, and I can also make a horizontal line of symmetry. So that would work. But number 2, if I go vertically, no. If I go horizontally, no. Or if I go diagonally, that will not work. So we can write no. Is she correct? So no, comma. Only the numbers 8 and 1 have lines of symmetry. Number 2 cannot be cut, so each part matches exactly. And that's going to be my answer. And that's why I wanted to do number 6 with you, because if I show you the answer key, there's a lot longer explanation than that, and I don't think that you need all of that. All right, so you're going to pause the tape now, and after you're done with number 21, come on back, and I can show you the answers. All right, hi guys, welcome back. Hopefully you paused and you're doing this all on your own. Otherwise, you won't learn anything on your own if you don't. All right, so here we go. So page 593, here's your answers. So number 1, you can see has 0. Number 2, you had to fill in that rectangle there. There's your answer for number 3. Here's number 4. And number 5. 6 we did already. Here's number 7. Is it cute? Here's 8. There's 9. Here's 10. So remember, a trapezoid has only one pair of parallel sides, according to Go Math. There's 11. There's 12. It's a question about the pattern. Here's 13. 14. Of course, that's array. And 15. All right, so here's 16. Now, they were looking for you to write it with the icon. So remember, DG is a line segment. So you see that that's just a straight line going horizontally. And number 17, circle the letter that does not have line symmetry. So that's that S. Number 18 is a little wacky. That's a possible answer. Looks like each shape was getting smaller and smaller. That one was a little tricky to me. Here's 19. So those are the possible answers. You could have worded it similar to this, but that's what they were looking for. Here's 20. And here's 21. There's part A, part B, and here's part C. So there's all of it together. Okay? How'd you do? All right, great work. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you something new. And then on Thursday, we hope to review, possibly using Kahoot. And then on Friday, we're going to be taking our Chapter 10 test, and we're going to show you how to do it. We're going to use something called Google Forms. So that'll be a lot of fun. All right, see you tomorrow.